Hello friends, today we'll be looking at what is countable and uncountable sets. So all the finite sets are countable. All the infinite sets which can be shown mapping to the set of positive integers are called countable. So positive integers is an infinite set but still it's countable. And all the sets which cannot be shown as having a one-to-one correspondence with the set of positive integers are said to be uncountable infinite sets or uncountably infinite sets. So obviously the set of natural numbers is set of odd numbers is a countably infinite set because we can write a natural number as this, and for each n we have each n belonging to integer we have got a odd number. So this is the one-to-one correspondence. Now let's look at a example of real numbers and show that real numbers is a set of all real numbers is uncountably infinite. So we quickly define let's say have this mapping where R1 denotes that 1 is mapped to 0.89346, then R2 denotes what 2 is mapped to. So 2 is mapped to 0.56298. R3 is mapped to, the integer 3 is mapped to 0.34596, and so on. So we construct a new number, say R, which is not mapped to any of them. How we construct it, I will show you. So first we take R1's first digit, so after the decimal point, so it's 8. So we take anything which is not equal to 8. So let's take maybe 2, so 0.2, and then next one is we take R2's second digit after decimal, so it's 6. We take anything which is not 6, so let's say 3, and then 5, so R3's third digit. So we take anything which is not 5, so we make R's third digit as, let's say, 6, and so on, R4's fourth digit, and so on. Now R's first digit is different than R1's first digit, so that means R is not equal to R1. R's second digit and R2's second digit differ, that means R and R2 cannot be equal. Similarly, R's third digit and R3's third digit differ. Similarly, R and R4 will differ at the fourth digit. R and R5 will differ at the fifth digit. So it will differ to all of these mappings at some digit. Hence, it will be a totally different element than each of them. It will not be equal to any of them. So we have effectively created a new integer which is not present in the list of these mappings. So this is a new integer, so this is a new real number which is not present in this list. So that's why we can say that we have contradicted the fact that we have obtained a one-to-one mapping, because it will leave out some of the real numbers. So hope you understood. Please like, share and subscribe.